How to use ChatGPT find errors in code feature. To use this feature, you have to simply copy your code, first of all, which has a bug or error in it. Now, once you copy the code itself, what you can do is simply go backwards and open the ChatGPT itself. From there, tap on this chat box and then simply paste your codes over here by long pressing on it and then tap on this paste option. Once you do so, all you have to do is give this ChatGPT chat a prompt by simply typing find errors in the codes. Now, once you type in this prompt, simply tap on this arrow button, and from here, you should be able to find these solutions over here. Now, all you have to do is find your exact solution, then simply tap on this copy option, and you should be able to simply paste it onto your program. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.